Hey, good clients, okay? I'm just saying, good clients generally tip real well, right? And it affects the outcome. You wanna know a trick at a restaurant? If you want really good service, then give them the tip before you eat.
There you go. That's a smart one.
Yeah. You can guarantee your outcome
Or
then.
set it on the table, they can see it. Don't give it to them until they're done.
If you do that, they see it as a trick.
There's a debate.
Because a lot of people take it back.
Yeah. There's a debate between two of my mentors. I have two different mentors. One of them says that whenever you get really good service, that you should tip extremely well, like 20% minimum, 30, 40%, it doesn't matter, just tip extremely well. And then whenever you go out and you get really bad service, just don't tip at all. Idea number one, right? Idea number two from mentor number two is you should always be putting good out into the world, so you tip every time, regardless of the service. And you tip well. And then you just make a mental note when you get bad service and you just don't go back there. I wonder which one is actually correct, or if they're both correct. Let me know your thoughts. Anyhow, we digress from battery cleaning operation 101.
I got an opinion on that one.
You do? Well, what?
Not that it's video content, but
it is. Is this can it hear you?
It is actually recording.
Can it hear you?
It can.
Okay, good.
So my theory on that one would be, if you got bad service, it's just worth asking the server, are you having an off day today? And their response will tell you if they're just a bad server or if it's just a rough day. And that may contribute to whether or not you should still tip.
What do y'all think? Everybody has an opinion, right? I asked a question. What's your thoughts, Ray?
I think option B.
I mean, you get
his opinion too.
So you do a lot of our roadside work, right?
Yeah.
Like you install a lot of batteries on the side of in the parking lots and different things like that. Have you ever been tipped?
Almost every time. Yeah.
Almost every time. And what's the reason?
I usually am very polite to the customer and just very communicative the whole way through, letting them know when I'm there. If I have to run back to the shop at all, I let them know that I'm to the shop when I get here and that I'm leaving whenever I do. And I'm just very communicative with them and very nice. And then whenever I get done with everything, I tell them to have a blessed day. I give them a card, and that's usually when they tip me. And I make sure to tell them to leave me a review, and you grade them you grade us on the reviews. So,
I do. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, people like you.
Yep.
Yeah.
I would hope so. I like them too.
Yeah.
Pretty polite people.
Yeah. It's nothing. Well, it's just nothing like being a hero. Like you show up and they're almost in a state of despair because everything was fine with their car, and then they come out and either it won't start or it's got a flat tire or something is going on that's changing the way they thought their day would go, right?
Yep.
And then you get to be a hero. You get Superman cape and like you do all the things, right? Save the day. What's your average tip?
Usually about $20.
About $20.
Give me a $20 bill.
Nice.
I thank them and let them know they don't got to do it every time, but I appreciate it.
Yeah. It still spins even though they don't have to do it, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, good. Good. You ever got any fake 20s?
No.
Okay, good.
I wouldn't be mad just because, it's extra money and I worked for it. But.
So, you get really good service, in your opinion, you get really good service, you give them a really good tip, and you get bad service, don't give them a tip at all, or what's your thoughts on my question?
I think that his opinion on it was a good, ask them how their day is, kind of to shoot that question, you having a bad day or you having a good day so far? And depending on their response, if they're just kind of being rude to you or if they're genuinely having a bad day, I would leave a tip to a person that was just having a bad day. And because one day you might go to that restaurant and they might do a fantastic job, get your food there on time and be awesome, very talkative, and the next day they might have, their dog might have died. So you just never know.